heading over to Cleveland. It is Wednesday. Doing Wednesday and Thursday over there. It's a great club called Hilarities. I have so much fun there. So hopefully I'm not driving into a snowstorm, but we'll see. Heading over to the club. Apparently this weekend there's a blizzard, so they're expecting 8 to 12 inches of snow. Show, and you know what it said? It said, this is how you pick the best steak. And I never knew this, but it said it has to be well marbled. Do you know what that means? Do you guys know what that means? It's unanimous. It means it means there's fat running through it. That's what it means. And then they said it'll cook up even and it'll have a delicious aroma. And now I'm afraid to die in a car fire. You know what I mean? Hanging there upside down screaming. Somebody help me, I smell delicious. Paramedics are calling it in. Got a 47-year-old Caucasian male. Smells scrumptious. Completely fake. Well,